And that's that shirt, but with that white guy going like this. Fucking big.
Well, there was another one that was really bad too. Oh, how do you get a bunch of black kids to start jumping on your bed?
Velcro.
You put Velcro on the ceiling.
But which kind? The negative or the positive? A what?
I don't even know which one's which.
What do you say?
Idiot. What do you call a black priest?
Skydiving.
Oh, skydiving?
Yeah.
What? Pollution.
I don't get the joke at all from the beginning. You said a priest.
What do you call a black skydiver? Pollution.
What do you call a black tree skydiving?
A black what?
A black tree skydiving.
Holy shit.
I mean a black priest.
Okay, I'm done.
Did you say black priest the first?
No, I'm
What do
confused.
you call a black person skydiving?
Puta.
Pollution.
What do you call a bunch of black people running down the hill? Huh?
Okay, can you
Oh, I was gonna say bus life.
Okay, can you burn a paper in there?
Horrible. This seems horrible.
Burn a paper, here to pee.
What?
This is what it is. I don't have matches anymore.
What about lip gloss?
You know scented candles?
You can't help, it would ignite.
I did.
Should have scented
Is my beer still in the freezer?
Oh, she drank it.
No, I
Give me
didn't.
the lighter.
The coldest one is
Let's
right
bring
there.
some brew then. Lighter. Stop them out of the stove. We're supposed to,
You guys like radio anymore?
You guys wasted like an hour.
We didn't waste nothing, it was our discovery.
There's nothing going on.
That's on Discovery Channel.
What time you guys are gonna sleep? 11:34. Fuck.
11:35 before bowl.
What time is it now?
10:20.
We got an hour.
When you get a G-Shock.
Something else.
I adopted.
He goes, what the fuck you wearing my shirt for? Drunk my watch?
It smells like fucking fuse in there.
No, did you burn something? That's cool, whatever.
You know, like a bomb fuse? Like,
Yeah,
it just smells like
seriously.
gunpowder.
And I know it is. Alright, somebody's gonna roll me in my house then. So I can get some fucking stove ribs.
Alright, get more brewskis or we're done with this shit? I never tasted this glorious.
Taste that,
Dandy
see what-
ass. Why do I feel like it's weird, man? Then don't drink it.
What do you wanna eat then?
Alright, what about some?
I'll find out. Don't call them.
Hey, Ben, what the fuck is this thing in the thing? What is this?
Yeah, this fucking this karaoke man is telling people that don't go out of town.
What is that shit?
That's
Oh, it's a ball. Look, it has a ball in there.
Oh, so
But if I have, we don't know how.
What's your day? Drop us up.
You know, jobs I go home.
What, Scarlet Lady?
Yeah.
And you take a cab back?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it right now.
Oh, let's go. There's no room to call. Let's just go. Since I don't work, I gotta work. Alright, Stretchies.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera, todos reunidos. I guess I was wondering if there's a group of girls sitting in a table. It's like 5 girls. No, okay, thank you. She said there are no girls in here.
Oh shit.
Of course she would tell you that. Talking
Dude,
like that.
hey, let me call. It's like, let me call him again.
Why?
Just call him again.
We'll be there with Danny, man. If that shit sucks, we'll just come back. Well, I mean, they made a quick ball.
Call him again, just call him again.
Well, I'm trying to. What the fuck, man?
What's the number? What's Scarlet
They're
number?
trying to go home. Probably shit don't work. That's why that fucking.
It's gone? Hold on, fool, hold on.
No, let me order some kids.
Come here.
I'm getting the ball. I'm getting the ball.
How do you get this shit to work?
Who's answering? What's her name? Yo? Is there a bunch of girls there tonight, or is it a bunch of cocktails?
Excuse me?
They hung up. They hung up. They hung up. Then he was the same person trying to
How
talk.
do you say cocks?
There's a bunch of
They're gonna hear my voice and be like, "Is this motherfucker?"